Hi, my name is Puneet Garg and I'm a student of Torrance University. Today I am giving my presentation. Three subject is business communication. First of all, introduction. In the presentation, the business proposal as a type of in the following presentation, the business proposal as a type of exemplary business presentation is to be taken into account. The second is effectiveness of the exemplary business presentation in business communication is to be understood. The third is the importance of technology is to work environment is going to be evaluated as well. Now moving to next page, the way an exemplary business presentation looks like. First, in the exemplary business proposal presentation, there are around three components. First is content, second visual design and delivery. Now we will continue this page. In this presentation, a written proposal is provided to the attendees and the proposed plan is defined. The goods of service that the business will offer is also mentioned. The presentation contains an audience journey map. It focuses on the business long-term benefit through budget estimation. The characteristics of that make an exemplary business presentation effective. Through an exemplary business proposal presentation, the objectives and values of the business can be presented. The third is the measure of success of the business can be established. Third is the innovative ideas related to this stated business can be demonstrated. The way effectiveness of the presentation affects the outcome. With the striking image that is used in the exemplary proposal presentation, the audience attention can be captured. An exemplary proposal presentation that is well crafted presents professionalism. The third is corporate image of the business can be established. How can this use of technology improve business communication? Through video conferences, a weekly meeting can be held, and the technology is used to protect the financial data of the business. Continue. Data security threats can be minimized. Employees can access the data at any time and anywhere whenever they require. The customers can use technology to provide their feedback regarding the service of the product. A stronger public image of the business can be created. In a business environment, when it is likely to use business presentation skills are used in order to deliver a clear message regarding the business to promote the business in an effective manner. The main conclusion of the presentation. From the above section, the way exemplary business proposal presentation creates effective communication among the target audience is analyzed. These are the references where from I get the data, all the data for this presentation. This was my presentation of this subject. Thank you very much.